Hi guys, my name is Minhajuddin Ansari and you're watching the 44th tutorial on C programming, and today we will learn how to copy values from files into our program. So right here, let me open my minhaj.txt file which I created in my previous tutorial, and it has these values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want to copy these values from my text file into my program. So for that purpose, I will use the fscanf function. And the fscanf function works like a normal scanf function, but it has one extra argument, and that argument is the pointer to the file from where you want to copy the values. So let me show you that. First, let me declare 5 integers because I'm going to be copying 5 values. And now I'm just going to remove this for loop from here, and I'm going to replace the printf by scanf, and the pointer is going to remain at its place, and I'm going to copy 5 integers into the variables ampersand a, ampersand b, ampersand c, ampersand d, and ampersand e. So simply I will be copying these values and storing them in these variables, the values from my file into the variables which I've written right here in my program. And let me just initialize them to 0 because it's always good practice to initialize your variables. So now before I run this program, I'm just going to print the values of the variables before using the fscanf function to show you that the new values have been assigned to these variables. And I'm going to add new line right here, and I'm just going to copy this printf function after calling the fscanf function. And one more thing to keep in mind, or one last thing to keep in mind, is that since you are reading information from your file, so you have to change the mode to read mode and simply just replace the W by an R, because the fscanf is reading information from the file and copying it into your program. So now when I run the program, you're going to see that initially the values of the integer variable was 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. And after running the fscanf function, the values of the integer variables are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it successfully copied the information from the file being pointed to by the fptr pointer, and it assigned those values into the integer variables which I have defined in my program. So this is all it about the fscanf function. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section, and thanks for watching this video.